Hi guys, ito yung ginawa kong customize na ATM. Tapos dito, run natin. Tapos lagay mo dito user. Tapos password 1, 2, 3, 4. Then login. Then login successful. Then okay. Tapos dito, try natin mag-withdraw money. Tapos insufficient balance. Tapos deposit money first. Then okay. Tapos dito naman sa deposit money. Example, 500. Tapos then okay. So okay. Tapos withdraw ulit sa money. Kunwari 250. Tapos okay mo ulit. Tapos yan, successful. Then okay. Tapos check natin yung balance. Tapos ayan, 250 pa. Then next, okay. Thank you. Tapos log out.